look at me now. And it is completely wonderful. So I thought I would do my own version. And obviously, because I can sound faster than Busta Rhymes and all those guys. So bear with me as I get the instrumental and let's go. I don't think I can get inside the country. You haven't even got a passport. Let go. No passport. No personal card. No driving license. This is just bad. Yes. I look like a fresh. Think you are bad. Then can attest. Ladies love me. They want to touch me. If you're a fine girl, you can touch me. She knock on my door. I thought it's immigration. So what do I do? Jump out? Look at me now. Hey, look at me now. Hey. I don't get money. Look at me now. Hey, look at me now. Hey. It's not funny. Even if I have